ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday morning, the 12th day of December. James Spann here, and after a wild week, which included severe weather, tornadoes, snow, it's all over. Things are calming down for the weekend. Let's go right to some of the Skycam shots early this morning, and you're looking at the Birmingham view. That is looking south from the top of the Daniel Building. Cold out there and clear. Most spots are below freezing, and keep in mind any moisture left over from yesterday's rain will be icy on the bridges, and that's one lingering issue. Up at Mount Cheaha, there's the view there coming from the top of the restaurant, looking back over toward the lodge. That's Alabama's highest mountain, just south of Anniston. And down to the south, there's our Skycam looking at downtown Clanton in Chilton County. Well, the upper trough that brought the excitement yesterday has rotated northeast. And in its wake, the air today will be cool, dry, and stable. You can see this morning temperatures are in the 30s, and again, well down in the 30s. Most spots are at or below freezing. Very cold air in Canada. You can see minus 20 back in the core of that cold air. That is nosing down into Minnesota. Looks like International Falls is almost at minus 20 this morning. But the trend here will be for the coldest air to shift to the western U.S. next week, and that means milder weather for us for a while. There's the QPF chart for the next 5 days, valid through Tuesday evening. It's 6 o'clock, and this is suggesting some rain here. No doubt we'll see some showers around next week with a moist air mass, but the better rain should be along a nearly stall front to the north of here. This is suggesting rains of 1 to 1.5 inches from Little Rock back up to Cleveland. And, of course, back in the colder air, there'll be some snow back in the Arctic air mass north of that front. We'll look at the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid at noon today. There's the trough over the east. Down below that, the air cool and dry. Should be a sunny day with a high in the upper 40s. Tomorrow looks like a beautiful day. We'll start off the day in the upper 20s, the high in the middle 50s with bright sunshine. Now, Sunday, the winds return from the south, which means we'll see moisture increasing, and there's some hint there could be a few isolated showers around here. We've not mentioned that for now, but we'll consider inserting that later today. It'll just be a small chance. And then Monday, here's the deal. The trough shifts out west. The weather out there cold and unsettled. And that warm ridge in the Gulf, that 588 line, tries to nose in here. And down below all of that, a surface cold front is lined up, a well-defined front there from near Chicago down to Wichita Falls, Texas. Very cold behind that, a big 1,040 millibar high. And around here, moisture is increasing, so we'll mention the chance of a few showers, but not an all-day rain. Tuesday, the front just kind of stalls out to the north of us. It just creeps in here. And again, that suggests the chance of a few showers, nothing heavy. Wednesday, the front really dissipates, and the attention turns to a storm developing. It looks like a big southern Rocky snowstorm out there at midweek on Wednesday. And then Thursday, back to the upper levels, and again, you can see that warm ridge kind of holds with the westerlies north of here. And at the surface on Thursday, another front tries to nose in here, but like the one early in the week, it's just going to have a hard time moving because of the ridge. That suggests maybe a few showers up in the northwestern corner, and then Friday, the front just dissipates. So next week, the cold air stays north of here. We stay relatively mild. There will be showers almost on a daily basis, but nothing really widespread or heavy. We'll go deeper into December. This is the 22nd. Got a short wave north of here, and that suggests maybe a little opportunity of rain, but the better rain will be north of here if that's right. And at the end of the forecast, 2 days after Christmas, it's December 27th. And again, the main westerlies to the north, and that suggests the weather will be relatively mild for this time of the year. So it sure looks like for the latter half of December, we're going to see a break from the cold air we've dealt with over the past really month or so. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog, the next video here by 3:30 or so today. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Friday, and God bless.
Weather.